Hey guys, today we are going to share a soothing beauty tip for your skin and eyes. We are today going to make cucumber eyes.
Here we have taken one cucumber and we are going to blend it now. So it's done now and we are going to store it in the freezer.
So yeah, it's ready to use now. You can use this before applying anything on your face. It helps you tighten your pores and it leaves you with a soothing skin. Do try and share your experience in the comment section below. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.